Hello everyone and welcome to Akan this year. I'm Akusia Jumfua and I'm your tutor for this lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about a very short 3 phrases. So please watch it to the end. Okay? Our first phrase is within the same. Within the same. Within the same. Meaning, what's your name? What's your name? Within the same. What's your name? Our second phrase is wedding facing. Wedding facing. Wedding facing. Meaning, how old are you? Wedding facing. How old are you? Wedding facing. How old are you? Our third phrase is Meadow. 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 Meaning, I love you. I love you. Meadow. I love you. Our fourth phrase is Akwaba. Akwaba. Meaning, welcome. Akwaba. Welcome. And our last phrase for this lesson is Ekomdo. 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 Meaning, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay, so this brings us to the end of our lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you all, and please stay safe. For now, it's goodbye and see you soon. Bye bye.